Hello again, Cacher Man here, and it's time for another adventure lab. Starting where I'm standing now. Another 5 stops with a bonus cache at the end. Let's go see if we can find them all. Well, look, it's a bird on the rock. Has something to do with the answer to the first stop. We have a bit of a snowy route to this next stop on the adventure lab. Maybe I'm supposed to walk on these things. Yeah. Hey, look, another bird on the rock. Must have something to do with the adventure lab. Might even be some bird tracks here. I wonder what this thing is for. We have one of these guys who has taken up residence in our backyard at home. Every night he's out there hooting, he or she. These chickadees are real common around here too, by our house. I've only recently started doing adventure lab caches. This is perhaps my 7th or 8th one, and they all seem to have 5 stops. I have come to another stop here, and another bird on a rock. Here's another bird on the rock, but it has nothing to do with this stop on the adventure lab. I'd really like to know what made all these tracks down there on the frozen pond. Interesting thing about these tracks is they just kind of end in the middle of the snow. I suspect those are landing spots for geese or ducks on the snow. And then they bounced a couple times and then waddled their way across the pond. Now looky here, another bird on the rock. I found all the stops. Now I know where the geocache is. It's a short hike back to it. It's not too far from where the car is, I think. So, back up the hill. After completing the adventure lab, I came over here to find the bonus cache, and I couldn't find it. I thought because there was too much snow. So I waited a while, a couple of weeks, and the snow has melted for the most part. But I still can't find the cache. Oh well, a DNF for me.
6 hours later.
On my 3rd trip to find the bonus cache, I finally found it. I won't give away where it is, but it looks like this. There's the little bugger right there in that piece of wood. So thanks for watching this episode of Caching with Cacher Man. I've had another successful caching trip with an adventure lab and this bonus cache. Please subscribe to my channel to take a look at some of my other episodes, and we'll see you again next time somewhere down the trail in another episode in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and take care everybody. So long.